Hello everyone, welcome to Solar Solars. Today I'm going to make 3 Hobo bed to give away. Let's get started. You can choose any size you want. And here I choose 13 inches for the height of the bed and 40 inches for the length of the shoulder strap. I'm cutting 2 pieces. For the center portion of the bed, and I measured it 6.5 inches, almost the same width as the side piece, and the height is 13 inches, so it's 13 inches by 6.5, and this for 2 pieces. And I'm going to cut the corner of the bottom a little bit. So now we got the outside body of the bed. And this is the other one that I'm making. So we basically just copy the exact same size. And we need 2 pieces as well. And we add a little bit for the length of the shoulder strap. I'm cutting 3.5 inches for the width of the shoulder strap. If you like to wear the back cross body, like over your shoulder, you can make it a little longer. And this is the exact same size, 6.5 inches by 13 inches. And we had to cut the inside layer of the bed the exact same size. And 2 pieces as well. And now we cutting the inside pocket 2 pieces, about 6.5 inches by 10 inches length. And I like to use the blue jean material for the side of the bed. And this is the inside layer of the bed. And we're gonna put a zipper pocket in the center. And a cell phone pocket on the other side. Time for the sewing machine. First, we're going to sew the cell phone pocket into one of the center panel. And this is the zipper pocket. I'm measuring 3 inches from the top down to where the zipper starts, and turn around and sew over it. Now both inside pockets are ready. Now we can put the outside layer together. I just sew up 2 inches from the center of the curve. We do that for 4 sides. Now I can combine the centerpiece together. Now the outside layers complete. Now we can sew on the inside layers. After we get the inside layer done, now we can combine the inside layer and the outside layer together. We leave about 2 inches on the end, not so we can combine them together later on. We solder on both sides of the shoulder strap and all the way to the body or the back. I'm gonna turn the back right side out from the shoulder strap and both sides. This is important. You have to cut the curves of the top portion of the bar in order to lay the flatbed right when you turn over later on. And I have a full curves on this top portion of the bar, and they all smooth out pretty good. It's time to connect the solder strip. I just sew over the edge for the both sides. All the way around the solder strip and the bar itself. After finished sewing the top portion, now we're gonna enclose the bottom portion or the outside layers. Now we're gonna sew the inside layers. And sew over the both sides the inside layer. And leave the center portion unsewn for later use. Now I'm gonna turn the bar right side out through the center opening. Now I'm gonna install the magnetic snap button. I have added on a piece of interfacing to where the button is. We are making sure the other side match. We got all buttons. Now it's time to enclose the bottom opening from the inside. Now our bad's almost complete. Do you like this bag? Please enter to win. Please check the description below to enter. This will be number 1. This is one side and this is the other side. Pick this one if you like this one better. This will be number 2. And we also have the zipper pocket and the cell phone pocket and the button. Pick number 3 if you like this one. Same thing, this one have the zipper pocket and the cell phone pocket. If you like to watch my videos, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Check the link here for more sewing projects. I will see you all next time.